Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got for my birthday. This is very belated, but I didn't realize before yesterday that I didn't do a what I got for my birthday video, which I do every year. So today I thought that I could share what I got, and also I did a vlog where I also pretty much showed everything that I got, but I didn't do a specific video that I do every year. So yeah, let's get into this video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So yeah, this year I haven't gotten that much because there is one big thing that I have gotten. So there are only two smaller items and one big thing that I really wanted. But let's start with the first one. And this is my Dior Beauty birthday gift this year. It looks like a book, and when you open it, it is a notebook. So here is the notebook. It is without lines, but it is very cute. And the other thing that I got is some pencils, as you can see here. They are just gray pencils. So that's what I got from Dior Beauty. This year they really surprised me because normally you get a pouch or something like that, but this year I got something that I think is way better than, for example, a pouch, because I have so many pouches. So this is something that I really appreciate and really like. And yeah, and moving on to the other thing that I got. This is something that I bought from Celine. It is a sweater. I think it is from the men's collection, but I really liked it and I think it is a perfect everyday kind of sweater, and I also really like black, so therefore I went for this one. I didn't really plan to buy this one, but when we were out and about on my birthday to pick up the gift from Dior Beauty, but also to just look around and have my birthday lunch, we went to the only store that sells Celine here in Norway. It is not a Celine store, it is kind of like a mixed brand store. But I couldn't leave this one there, so therefore I went and got it. And I got it in size medium. I will try it on so you can see how it looks. That was the thing that I got from Celine. As you probably know, it is one of my favorite brands, especially when it comes to clothing, but also accessories and also bags quite lately. So that was the other small thing that I got. And moving on to the biggest thing that I got, it is something that I have wanted for such a long time. And now finally I got it. And I was so surprised. And also, if you follow my channel, you probably know what it is because I have done an unboxing of the item. They received it the day he called me, and right away when he saw this bag, he thought about me. And I'm so thankful for that because, as you probably can guess by the box, it is a mini bag. I think we can unbox it now. So let's start. And it is quite some time since I last unboxed a bag on my channel. I think it was in December, not last year, but the year before that. But the reason is because I have been waiting for this one, because I feel that this is the only bag that I miss in my collection. Now it is time to unwrap it. And here is the dust bag. And let me introduce you to my new baby. This is my first ever mini Kelly. I thought that I could also share it on this one because it is my mini Kelly. This one is in orange and with gold hardware in cellular Epson. So it is so stunning. I haven't taken off the stickers yet. I probably will do it today because I'm freaking out a little bit when it comes to the stickers. I know it is not good for the bag to keep them on for a longer time. But this is what I primarily got for my birthday, and I couldn't have hoped or asked for anything else because this is the thing that I really, really wanted, and I'm so happy about it. I got it 2 weeks or so before my birthday, and it is 1 month since I took it out of the box because I unboxed it the day before my birthday. So I had it for over a month now, and I have used it a lot, and I have to say I really like it. I haven't had any issues, and also what I quite recently found out after I bought it was that I could fit my phone. I have the Pro Max variant of the iPhone, and when I was in the store trying it on, and when I took a look at other mini Kellys, I felt that I couldn't try it really on because it wasn't mine, and I don't want to destroy or do anything to other bags that somebody else was going to buy. But what I found out when I tried was that if I take off the cover, it can fit easily inside my mini Kelly, which is very practical because my biggest worry with this bag was that my phone couldn't fit inside it, and it doesn't bother me if it couldn't because I normally have my phone in my hand. So that was something that surprised me about this one. And other than that, I cannot say anything else than that I really love this bag. It is such a great bag, and I will also insert the clips that I filmed when I unboxed it of some mod shots when I'm trying it on and how it looks on me and how I style it. So that was what I got for my birthday this year. I just wanted to do this video because I normally do this video every year, so I thought that I couldn't miss a year, so therefore I just wanted to make this one. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think about the gifts, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.